Nagpulen kisam gal nang kabashis pa kanyaw gulakad ka paar. Ka jingieit jung yingi kalong ka baklan. Ka jingieit ne jung kalong ka babang jukot. Mana kisam ka ba arkulay gulakad ka banriyo. Shisha ka jingha ba ka jingisni jung kimbod nga. Balparo kisni ka jingim junga. Reading from Psalm chapter 117 and verses 2. Great is His love toward us, and the faithfulness of the Lord endures forever. Psalm 23, verses 6. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Thank the Lord for the blessing and Amen.